is Jaimi Sheenan, and I'm a graduate student here at Eastern Illinois University. Today I'm going to talk to you about cystic fibrosis and how to make a carrot raisin salad. To start off, what is cystic fibrosis? Well, cystic fibrosis, also known as CF, is an inherited and chronic disease that affects the lungs and digestive system. It's a defective gene that causes the body to produce abnormally thick and sticky mucus. This causes the lungs, clogs the lungs and causes persistent lung infections, and also causes the pancreas and other organs to have effect on the way it digests food. According to the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation, approximately 30,000 adults and children are affected by this disease, and that's 70,000 worldwide. Approximately 70% of patients are diagnosed by the age of 2, and the average life expectancy is between 30 and 40 years and beyond. People with CF typically have symptoms including persistent coughing, usually with phlegm, abnormal salty tasting skin, and wheezing or shortness of breath, and also poor growth despite good appetite. By following a treatment plan, people with CF can slow the progression of their disease. A healthier body is better able to fight off lung infection and bacteria. An important factor for staying healthy is nutrition. Good nutrition and lung health go hand in hand. People with CF may need extra calories to compensate for malabsorption. This problem can be treated with pancreatic enzyme supplements, vitamins and minerals, and also a high-calorie, high-fat diet. In CF, a high-calorie, high-fat diet can help for children to have normal growth and development, and also for adults to maintain normal vital health. People with CF do not absorb fat properly, so that means that fat-soluble vitamins are not going to be absorbed as well. These include vitamin A, D, E, and K. According to the National Institute of Health, some other good tips for people with cystic fibrosis include exercise, drinking plenty of fluids, and also washing their hands frequently. Now we're going to go on to the carrot raisin salad. Here I've brought the ingredients for it over here. We're going to have 1 cup of raisins, and 3/4 a cup of shredded carrots, 8 ounces of crushed pineapple. You're going to want to make sure that you drain this before you add it to the recipe. And 1 apple. And you want to leave the skin on because this is where most of the nutrients is going to be found. And also you core it and cut it into small pieces like I have here. And I've also brought, you're going to have 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm not going to include all this. And 1/4 cup of mayo. Now this is regular mayo because I did mention before you're going to have a higher calorie, high fat diet in cystic fibrosis, and that's going to provide that. For those of you watching that would rather have a low fat, low calorie recipe, you can include a yogurt dressing or anything that you can find online or from somebody that you know that has done this recipe before. So just stir this up. This is also going to include potassium, beta-carotene, vitamin A and E, those fat-soluble vitamins, and then the calories and fat like I mentioned before. So it's looking good, good colors. I'm just going to plate this right here. A serving size is typically going to be about 1 cup. Just make sure we get some of those apples too. Okay, doesn't that look good? So cystic fibrosis is a chronic and serious disease that affects many people. If you'd like further information, you can visit the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation at www.cff.org. Thank you.